of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
There shall be showers of blessing, precious reviving again. Over the hills and the valleys, sound of abundance of rain.
Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing, come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or a face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19.
Good morning, dear students. I am your Sumitra Miss here. Today's thought for the day is nothing is impossible. The word itself says I am possible. I repeat my thought. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I am possible. Thank you.
It's a time to come together. From the east and west we gather. Be it north or south, don't matter. As DB's kids we matter. Children the end, Don Bosco's pride. God's own hand to solely guide. Growing by virtues but steady, learning forever good. Ready, hey, 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 hey.
Good morning, children. Today's vocabulary word is evident. Spelling evident. It's an adjective meaning clearly seen or understood. Example, he signed his name with evident satisfaction. I repeat, today's vocabulary word is evident, spelling EVIDENT, meaning clearly seen or understood. Example, he signed his name with evident satisfaction. Thank you.